And we're going to add a texture onto this. So let's start off by adding a new layer that's down here. I like to name the layers, so texture. Great, and now we're going to dump the texture on here. So I'm going to go in, grab my texture that I showed you before, drag and just drop it in. I hold on to the shift key, and that keeps the same ratio. If you let go of the shift key, that lets you warp it, but you don't want that. So I hold the shift key down, pull that up, and pull this one on down here. And yeah, I think that's good. Nice. All right. See this check mark? That says that you like what you've done, so you're doing that. Okay, so now we're going to need to blend the texture in with that radial layer that we have. And so what I want to do first of all is we're actually going to go up here and give it a divide blending mode. That does that to it right there. That's kind of cool, but it's a little bit bright. So we're going to change the opacity. I'm going to drag the opacity. Do you see how I put the mouse over top of opacity? And I'm just dragging it down. I'm going to put it down to about 20%. There it is right there. Great. So that's kind of a nice background.